Hey guys, I want to get on here real quick. I was thinking about something this morning that we probably always think about from time to time, and we might be doing something and we forget how we did it, or it might be if you've been out of work, or if you're not still working, or if you're doing something in the kitchen, or you forgot this or that. That's normal. Repetition. I know without a doubt that a lot of times as we get older, we're afraid of new things. A lot of us are. Me, not so much. I love to learn new things. I love to learn new things on my phone. I love to learn things on my computer. And I found out that the repetition of doing things, you will remember. I have a dear little friend, and she is my little widow friend, and she's afraid of change. Now, I don't know if she's always been that way, but I keep encouraging her. Repetition, repetition, repetition. Do it over and over, or do it on a daily basis, or do it on a monthly basis, or weekly basis, or just when you think about it, do whatever project that is so you will not forget. I think that's very, very important. I think with my dad being within a few weeks being 90 years old, why he's so active, because he does everything. People don't realize he is 90 years old, or almost. Repetition. He drives every day. He does things around the house. He he goes to places and sees people, and very active. And how blessed I am to have an almost 90-year-old within a few weeks father that is so active, that has always been so active. This is, Robbie, I think the thing that makes me think for myself a lot of times, um, of doing things that will keep my mind and my body young. I want to stay young. I want it in my mind. Now, my body, I know I will try my best to keep my skin and good, hydrated. I'm trying to drink a lot more water. I'm trying to do a lot of great things for me. And I've recently decided that I'm going to try to really watch what I eat and just try to be more conscious. But a repetition of doing things to make you feel better. When I get up in the morning, I want to feel good, not bad. I don't want to do things to my body the day before, the night before, that makes me not able to function the next day. So I've made the decision that I'm going to be as active as I can, and you can come along with me to be the best you can in any situation. Repetition. It's just like, oh, another thing. When you go and do like something on your computer, and you have a password, and you can, oh, what was that password? What is that password? Repetition. This is another little thing I just wanted to say. I've done this 4 minutes, and I'm not sure if I'm even going to put it up. But anyway, I was just thinking, my hair's wet. I've got an appointment here within less than an hour, so I got to get going. I hope you have a great day, happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And repetition is a wonderful word. Continue to do what you're doing. Keep putting one foot in front of the other. I love you guys. I hope you have a great day, happy day. Be kind. As I said, I'm repeating myself. Repetition. Until tomorrow. I'm sending you a hug. Do you feel it? I sure hope so. I love you.